What is Gucci, my people? It's your boy Grizzy El-Sypheon, aka Big Boss Ray. Today we have an interesting unboxing for you guys. I've been recently wanting to upgrade my keyboard. So I've got this wireless keyboard, nothing too fancy. It's wireless, it's RGB, you know, voila. I've had this for years, hasn't been a problem so far, and to be honest, it's still great. I'm still going to use it. Probably going to use it for my other PC over there, but I needed an upgrade anyway. I've been hearing a lot about, I don't know if they're called mechanical keyboards, I don't know what the name is, but it's these fancy keyboards, and I've been seeing a lot of it on TikTok anyway, and I don't know, like the clicks of it, the sounds of the clicks that it makes, is just so, I don't know how to explain it. It's ASMR at its finest. But yeah, looking into those keyboards, I've seen their prices. I was like, what the hell? Why? But anyway, I've been doing some research on it and seeing if there's like a budget-friendly keyboard that I can still get. And I've come across this keyboard. I've got this from AliExpress. If I find the link, I'll put it in the description. But yeah, I'm excited to see what's inside here. I know what color I picked. It's a black one, so it's not like this. But to be honest, this is kind of growing on me as well. I like this color. I like this color actually. But anyway, we're going to be unboxing this together and see if this is worth the price or if it's not. Bear in mind, I'm not like some keyboard genius or something like this. I'm just purely buying this purely off of aesthetics and the fact that it has RGB and the fact that it's wireless as well. Without further ado, guys, let's jump into the unboxing. But before we do that, let's get the essentials out. Please, if you can, subscribe to the channel, give this video a like. But yeah, without further ado, guys, let's not waste time. Let's get this unboxing done. Roll the intro.
Why Grizzy on production?
Cool. Let's dive in. Let's see what the fuss is all about. Packaging is not the greatest. That's not what's important. Pretty simple. Right off the bat, we've got the keyboard. That's the keyboard. It's got a USB, wired, and Bluetooth, and USB wireless connection, and a wired Type C. So it's gonna look for anything more that came with the package. Give me one sec. Yeah, and there's some manuals here. I'll get it out 1 second. So this is what came with it. So as I've explained already, 3 mode mechanical. Ah, yeah, that's what it's called. Mechanical keyboard. Type C for wired connection. A 2.4G wireless USB connection. Or if you have Bluetooth on your computer, then you're also able to connect wirelessly without any USB. Let's flip that aside. Let's see what else it comes with. So this is just a little manual to show how to set it all up, how to change the RGBs, and yeah, okay, back to the keyboard. Let's see if I can turn this on without sticking USB in. Let's have a look. So, right, so Bluetooth. Ooh, ooh. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks absolutely amazing. Okay, so that's what it looks like when it boots up. I don't know if you guys can see this, yeah? Let me turn this off. There's like an animation. Check this out. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's an animation. Let me stand up and show you guys what I'm seeing. Wait. Ah, system, okay. Windows, Mac, iOS, Android. Ah, nice, nice. Okay, so you've got system, you've got effect. Okay, so this is. Ooh, check this out. Oh, it just sounds so good. These are different RGBs. Nice, but this is a bit too jumpy for me. I like this. Is good for me. And this is, I think this is the standard fade RGB. Ooh, this looks nice. Ooh, check this out. Ooh. By the way, if you're wondering why there's no keys here, if you tilt the keyboard, you can see all the letters. Ooh, wait. Not USB. Can't lose that right now. But yeah, if I take this out, yeah. Ooh, that's actually good. Ah, to be honest, there's no need for the keys to be here, to be honest, because normally, if we're typing, I could just see the keys from here. It's even better, and it sounds so good. Okay, one thing I'm picking up on is this knob is too sensitive. So you have to be very careful. Language is only, huh? Wait, only got English and Chinese. There's like a little animation here. I don't know if you guys can see. Wait, it's just an animation. I wonder if you can change this. If you can't change this, that would be sick. And then this is like the screen where you can see the time, you can see how much battery you have left. To be honest, I'm surprised I have 61% right off the box. It's really good. But yeah, really, really good. To be honest, well worth the penny. So yeah, guys, that's the unboxing done for this keyboard. What are my thoughts on it? I like it. It's very, very good. Aesthetically, it's heavy as well. I haven't tried the different modes yet, like the Bluetooth mode or the wired mode yet, but I'm digging this. This is really, really good. There is one problem though. This knob is very sensitive, right? So I think that's my only defect. But apart from that, I'm really happy with this actually. I didn't even show you this, guys, but it comes with this, so you can take off keys. I haven't done that on any keyboard before. I've taken this key out. Which one's this? The Z. Taking this out, but that's what's on the inside. But yeah, hopefully you guys found this insightful. Let me know what you guys think of this keyboard. I personally like it because it is budget friendly and it's really good, and not to mention the ASMR aspect of it. Ooh, so good. Oh my god, so good. Hopefully you found this video insightful. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment your thoughts on this keyboard, or if you already have the keyboard, comment your experience with it, if there's any defects or anything misleading, should I say. Also comment down below any other video ideas that you have, maybe anything you want me to unbox. Without further ado, guys, it's been a pleasure. It's your boy Grizzy El-Sypheon signing out, and yeah, I just can't wait to use this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.